What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going over Trump coin, which is going absolutely parabolic right now, up 51.4% at $13. Hopefully you guys were able to accumulate some of this. Obviously, I don't own any. Very, very sad, but it is what it is. You have a $2.6 billion market cap, small circulating supply of 199 million out of 1 billion total. All-time high on this was 73.43 3 months ago. You're down 81% from that all-time high. All-time low was 3 months ago at $4.29. If you would have bought that 4 months ago, you'd be up 209% or 2x on your investment. So with that, currently available on the following markets, you have OKX, Binance, MEXC, Gate.io. It looks like OKX has the highest volume, which is crazy, followed by Binance. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on Trump. To infinity and beyond, man. This thing is taking off on the day chart, guys. Absolutely insane here. We talked about this on a live stream. We didn't talk about it. I don't make much videos on this, but we did talk about it in a live stream. Right now on the day chart, I would be kind of, I don't want to say cautious, but the stock RSI on the day chart's off the charts. Like we're at 99 right now. Normally we top out. Normally I see coins top out at the higher 100 levels. But when you enter the parabolic phase, though, all TA goes out the window. So keep that in mind. We did get the deep buy signal on the 10th of April, which if you would have bought on the 10th of April, that would have been right here. Would have been dang near close to the absolute bottom price before this initial rally to the upside. RSI has a lot of room to run on the day chart here. We've never, ever been overbought here on the day chart on the RSI. I think this is the highest RSI has ever been, too. Yeah, the highest RSI has ever been, with the MACD being absolutely bullish here. Large engulfing candle. Now let's look at the fib retracement here real quick. So from the high to the low right now, we're heading towards that 618 at about 1750. That is the critical price area there. I know you guys are making money now if you're holding Trump and you bought low, but keep an eye on the 618 level. You know, buy fear, sell greed. Greed gets a lot of people. Not saying we're not going to break it, but that is going to be a very critical resistance area, because the 618 is called the golden pocket, and it's called the golden pocket for a reason. It's a good support, good resistance when you're below, and it's very difficult to overtake. So in the meantime, I do think Trump will most likely be heading up to around that 1750 area, and once we get to that general area, we'll be able to assess the situation. Now obviously we broke out of our downtrend since the initial pump and dump, the initial pump and then the retracement. But if we look at the short-term time frame here, such as the 4-hour, you can kind of see, according to the indicators, that we are a little bit toppy here. We are a little bit toppy. We are currently flashing, hey, take profit on our RSI. RSI is currently at 94, the highest it has ever been on the 4-hour time frame. We are off the charts here on the stock, or on the WTX. There's not a sell signal printing yet, but you seriously, you're off the charts right now. What I always say is, don't chase green candles. And then you have the stock RSI right here, which is at a local top. I mean, if you draw a horizontal line here, we have never gone over this line here on the stock RSI, guys. Every time we've hit it, we've retraced a little bit. So I think there might be a slight retracement in store for this, which would give us better buying opportunity. That's all it is. It's a better buying opportunity. And if we did see retracement, where would we go from the high to the low? Right now, we're currently finding resistance at the 786. I wouldn't be surprised at all if maybe we retrace back down to that short-term 618 and then rallied. Worst case scenario is heading back down to $10, then rally. I wouldn't be shocked if we did go down to $10, because that should be a pretty critical support area, a psychological support area. You have a 10 and then a 9, you actually lose a 0 from that point. So that's an area I'd be keeping an eye on, is the $12 and then the $10 play. But right now, I mean, Trump's not looking that bad. I mean, all he has to do is make a tweet, right, about his coin, and then it goes parabolic. So I mean, you do have that catalyst behind you right there. But right now the short-term time frame does look a little toppy. Longer term time frame, such as, we can't really look at the weekly because it hasn't been out that long. There's really no indicators on the weekly at all. But you guys have officially broken out. I will give you that. You guys have broken out, and if we draw the downtrend, downtrend right here, yeah, you guys definitely broke out. Yeah, you guys actually broke out on the 18th of April. You've been slowly building up to this rally, to this nice candle. But I'd be keeping an eye on 1750, and then in the short term, you might see a slight pullback for a continuation of the upside. Overall, this thing does look like it's at the beginning phases of its bull run. I'm pretty excited to see how high this thing can go. I know I'm already going to regret not buying it. Uh, for real, I already know I'm going to regret not buying it when we're in the mania phase of the bull run, and Trump saying, "Hey, we can buy crypto everything, and my coin is going to be the main coin of the United, whatever." Um, I mean, even right now at 13.5, it might actually not be a bad investment. Now I'm starting to talk myself into it, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll definitely see. It is not looking bad. Just in the short term, be wary. Long term, it's getting ready to rip. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.